Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. With the new year just around the corner, we're going to celebrate by drawing the iconic Indian cartoon characters, Motu Patlu, joyfully welcoming the new year. So, grab your drawing tools and let's get started. Before we start, let me extend a warm welcome to the CSS channel for all the creative minds out there. To get better understanding, follow the steps as shown. Pause the video, draw the step and then proceed to the next step. Use A4, A3 size drawing paper, 2B pencil for drawing, and have a drawing pad for support. You can find the links to these products in the description below, which are shortlisted by CSS experts. This tutorial is meant to develop your study of animated characters, study of lettering. For today's artistry trivia, which famous artist created a series of paintings titled The 12 Months that depicted each month of the year, capturing seasonal changes and celebrations? Drop your guesses in the comments below and stay tuned till the end to know the correct answer. Let's get started. First, let's begin with Motu and Patlu's basic shapes. Motu, with his round body and big smile, is standing on the right side. Patlu, the lean and smart one, is on the left side. They are both excitedly raising their hands in the air, ready to welcome the new year. Starting off with our first main character, let's sketch Motu using simple oval shape for his face and torso. We will draw his legs using curved lines and circular feet. Let's now draw Patlu starting with an almond-shaped face and a curved rectangle for the torso. Draw the legs and feet using curved cylinders. Remember to sketch their hands raised high in excitement. Next, let's create a simple yet festive background for our beloved characters. Add Happy New Year in bold letters in the background to give it that celebratory feel. How can we miss their smiley and cheerful faces? Add the details of their eyes, eyebrows, nose, and a huge smile. The background for this drawing is a simple one. Let's add life to our drawing by adding colors. Motu has his trademark orange t-shirt and yellow pants. Patlu, with his yellow tunic kurta and orange pajamas. Add in the colors like shown. And there we have it. Our cheerful Motu Patlu celebrating the new year with their hands up amidst a colorful background. Have a great year end and wish you all the best for the upcoming year. May it be filled with lots of art, creativity and fun. Now, coming back to the artistry trivia question. The right answer is the artist who created the 12-month series was Peter Bruegel the Elder, a renowned Flemish Renaissance painter. He painted these scenes between 1565 and 1569, portraying various activities and customs associated with each month throughout the year. I would like to see your creative end results, so share your output to me on WhatsApp for further evaluation and feedback. For more such helpful and insightful tutorials, make sure to visit the Creative Skills Society YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a drawing tutorial from CSS.